Good morning, everyone. I am Asta Yagnik and I am going to present my market design. First, the brief. Nowadays, we experience two types of shopping. One is online and another is organic. That is for daily necessities. So, for daily necessities, we prefer organic market where we notice that there is mess, and that is one of the reasons we try to avoid going there. Established large markets like Crawford Market in Mumbai or Bhadrakali Market in Nasik are successful ones. So we did a case study of Bhadrakali Market, which is located in Nasik, Maharashtra. We analyzed that there are a variety of products available there, like vegetables, fruits, fish, utensils, also grocery, clothes, etc. So in plan, we can see how the market is located on both sides of the street. So there is a main street in a market and secondary street which run between shops, and depending on where the shops are placed. So one of the activities we saw there was this fruit shop in market. So its plan was big, like according comparing with other shops, it was really big in size. So we studied it and we saw how they have arranged and how the activity takes place. Also, you can see some sections. This is the site plan. The area of the site is 11,000 square meters and it is located near City Center Mall, Nasik. So I proposed this design for market which is in Nasik, and this is the roof plan. Further going to the floor plan, as we enter, we arrive at the parking area on the right and the loading unloading area on the left. From the parking, we can choose we would like to go for shopping or for the eateries. So, from parking, as we enter to the shopping area, we arrive at an interactive space which is also a buffer space from where we can choose where we want to go. So, on the right side, we can see vegetable, fruits, and flower shop as they are most things in demand and need proper air circulation. And on the left, we have grocery, dairy, dry fruit shops. They are placed near the loading unloading space, so it would be easier to carry the bulk of products for the shopkeepers and also for the buyers to take to the parking. At the end, I have kept the seasonal products and fish shop, so the smell would not affect the whole shopping area. A restroom is provided with attached toilet for the sellers, and there are public toilets located at two places. One is on the southern end and one is near the northwestern end. Also, landscape area is provided in the front which acts as an interactive space. These are the sections. I have provided sloping roofs with skylights. The skylight has a curved surface, so when the light penetrates, it is distributed in every direction. The height of the structure is 4 meters, and zero point 0.9 is the height of vegetable market plinth. These are elevations from north and west side. So 3D views. Here we can see a space for eateries which I provided, loading unloading area on the left, parking, and vegetable, fruit, and flower market on the right. This is the bird eye view of the market. Here in the first image we can see the buffer space, the shops for dairy products, seasonal products. And on the second image we can see vegetable market area from human eye level. Here is the top view of the market, and in the second image we can see the skylight clearly.